So hello everyone. In today's video you will learn how to use a video safe margin frame to create professional videos. I will demonstrate the entire process using the InShot app. You can use this in any video editing app of your choice. Safe margin is a guideline or frame inside your video that helps you place important content like text or actions in a safe area. When playing videos on mobile, TV or screens, some parts around the edges may get cut off. By using safe margins, you can easily understand where to keep your content so it stays visible and safe. First, we will go to Create New and select Video. Then, click on the New option. From here, I will import a background image or footage to use as the video background. Next, I will go to the canvas option. And select a 9:16 ratio for the canvas. Using the slider, I will zoom in to adjust the frame. After that, I will go to the effects panel and select the pip option. Then I will import this safe margin frame, which you can download from the link provided in the video description. Once imported, I will click on the fit to screen icon, adjust it and click the right icon to set it in place. Finally, I will go back to the FX control panel, select pip and import the video footage for editing. Then go to the FX control panel and find the crop option. Click on crop and manually crop the area you want, or select a ratio to crop based on your requirements. Next, adjust the scale and position of the video footage to align perfectly with the safe margin frame. Once everything is set according to the safe margin frame, select the frame, go back to the FX control panel and delete it by clicking on the delete option. Finally, click the right icon to save the changes. Now, select the background layer and click on the keyframe icon to create a keyframe at the starting point. Move a bit forward in the timeline, create another keyframe and adjust the position of the background layer slightly to the left. Then move further along the timeline, create one more keyframe and adjust the background layer's position to the right. This creates a smooth background animation. That's it, this editing is complete. Let's preview the video to check the final result.